Looking to elevate your living room with a modern twist? In today's video, we're unveiling the hottest coffee table design trends for 2024 that will transform your space into a stylish and functional haven. From sleek minimalism to bold statement pieces, these ideas will take your home interior design to the next level. You've finally found the perfect coffee table for your living room, family room, or primary and suite lounge space. Now, all you have to do is make it pop with the right mix of accessories that suit both your lifestyle and aesthetic. Whether you prefer a minimalist or a maximalist approach, check out these stylish and wide-ranging coffee table decor ideas that will help you add those finishing touches that will turn this functional piece of furniture into a show-stopping focal point. 1. Add an ottoman. Rather than opting for a traditional coffee table, try using an oversized ottoman instead. It can be slid around the space to use as a footrest or a place to set the remote and a cup of coffee. To make an ottoman feel more like a standard coffee table, just add a chic tray. Choose a color that will pop against the ottoman's fabric. Gold is always a solid pick that will stand the test of time. 2. Display greenery. Nothing livens up a room quite like plants and flowers. There are so many different ways that plants can be worked into coffee table styling. A voluminous vase with bushy branches infuses height and color into this space. You could also add a collection of succulents, a bowl of moss balls, or a vase of dried greenery. 3. Keep it balanced. Mix and match various textures to create an eye-catching display, but keep it balanced by working with the rule of 3 or placing objects in a grid. A porcelain bowl, wooden chain accessory, and some greenery blend together nicely on this table. And although there are many style elements in different shapes, it still feels balanced. 4. Leave a book open. Utilize those coffee table books by flipping open a favorite and bookmarking a page you particularly enjoy. This will encourage guests to take a look at your collection of fave titles rather than just viewing them as decorative items on display. We love the idea of using a chic wooden chain as a paperweight, too. 5. Include taper candles. If you want to add a little ambience to your coffee table, there is no better way to do so than through taper candles. Thrift or purchase some unique holders and add white or colorful tapers to them. We love the setup above, complete with plants and macrame accessories. All together, it creates a cozy aesthetic. 6. Add woven accents. Adding woven textures to your coffee table setup grounds the design and gives a little more visual interest than your classic smooth-surfaced items. This could be a woven ball or coasters. 7. Fill a bowl with fruit. Move the fruit bowl from the kitchen to the coffee table. This is a playful way to dress it up and give it a vibrant pop of life, similar to what a plant can do. 8. Showcase a collection. If you collect something small, like matchbooks from your favorite restaurants, go ahead and set up a special display on your coffee table. 8. Organize clutter with decorative boxes. Decorative storage boxes come in handy all throughout the house, but they are especially useful in containing common sources of coffee table clutter. Use them to stash away remotes and cords when not in use, and take note of how much your mood improves when you aren't constantly staring at various electronic gadgets. Corralling scents on a tray is an excellent way to keep your setup nice and tidy. Don't feel like you have to stop at just one candle, either. Feel free to set out an entire collection so that there's always some variety. 10. Add brass animals. What's more fun than a chic, brass accent in the shape of an animal? A few fish are featured here, but brass elephants, giraffes, and more will do just fine. 11. Keep it simple. Sometimes, all that's needed is a stack of books or one simple vase of flowers to make a coffee table look well-styled. To put it simply, less is more. 12. Play with height. For those looking for a bit more oomph, a pedestal makes for an excellent addition to the coffee table. Use it to make your styling really stand out and add layers to your display. It can also help prevent trailing plants from dangling down too low. 13. Add elegance. You have plenty of options when it comes to adding elegance to your coffee table through decor. It could be glass dishes, crystal candle holders, or decorative busts. Decorative busts aren't just for bookshelves. Pick a favorite statue and let him or her have a moment on your coffee table. Who says your home can't look like a museum? 14. Print some pics. Print out or dig up from your family archives photographs of loved ones that will make you smile. It's so rare that we see printed pictures in our homes these days, and keeping a few favorites on your coffee table will remind you of precious moments and faces you don't often get to see in real life. 15. Try sculptural objects. A sculptural object is always a good idea to elevate your coffee table decor. Here, an oversized piece adds some contrast to the mostly white decor on this wooden table. It's the perfect way to add a clean, sleek statement, especially if you're one to gravitate towards minimal spaces. Thanks for joining us today. We hope these modern living room coffee table design ideas for 2024 have sparked some inspiration for your next home makeover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more living room decorating tips and interior design trends. Share your favorite coffee table idea in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.